All of you, my name is Sunakshi Prajapati from class 7th. My school name is UPS Mallupur Mandhata Pratapgarh. Today we are present about ब्रेन इन इंग्लिश। सबसे पहले हम ब्रेन के भागों के बारे में बात करते हैं। ब्रेन के 3 भाग होते हैं, अग्र मस्तिष्क, मध्य मस्तिष्क और पश्चिम मस्तिष्क। और अग्र मस्तिष्क के भी 3 भाग होते हैं, प्रमस्तिष्क, थैलमस, हाइपोथैलमस। मध्य मस्तिष्क का एक महत्वपूर्ण भाग होता है कॉर्पोरा क्विडिजेमिना। उसके बाद पश्चिम मस्तिष्क आता है हमारा, इसके 2 भाग होते हैं, सेरेबेलम और मेडुला ऑब्लिगेटा। First of all, let's talk about the cerebellum part of the forebrain. It is the largest part of the brain, which is the center of intelligence and awareness. It controls actions such as thinking, understanding, remembering, speaking, smelling, love, fear. Now let's talk about the thalamus, the second part of the brain. This part of the brain acts to recognize pain, cold or hot. Now let's talk about the third part of the forebrain, hypothalamus. It controls the hormones released from the endocrine glands, as well as controls hunger, thirst and heat. Now let's start first. Now let's talk further about the corpora quinquecina and important part of the medulla oblongata. This part of the brain controls the power of seeing and hearing. Now let's discuss the cerebellum and medulla oblongata part of the posterior brain. The main function of the cerebellum is to maintain balance of the body. Now the next important part comes the medulla oblongata. It is the backmost part of the brain whose main function is control heartbeat, blood pressure and respiration. Thank you.